kaaya-ayang araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So it's still Saturday, March 23 and it's 4:12 p.m. We are now here at the SM Mall of Asia. We're gonna go to IKEA to have our dinner there. So samahan nyo kami! So I think kaya super busy din ngayon kasi baka yung iba, bakasyon na sila. Dahil Holy Week na next week. Ayan. So here is Swedish cafe. So maliit lang pala yung cafe nila, no?
Mali lang yung painting. Mali yung painting. Di ba?
Hindi. Ito na rin ba yung restaurant nila?
Tingin ko pinalaki.
Oo. So since first time namin, hindi namin alam. Swedish cafe pala, parang pang mga snacks lang siya. So we need to go to the Swedish restaurant. So, ayun yung free locker service ng IKEA if you're gonna shop. Okay. Oh, so there's the Swedish restaurant. So dito dapat pala siya. Ayan. Ayan. So super laki naman pala. Meron namang mga spot. Ayan. Ayan. So it's super big. And may mga arrows naman siya here. Ayan. So, may marami namang tables. We're just gonna have to find our way. And, yun. Order muna kami ng foods. So, ayan. Kumuha si Daddy ng cart. So, once you get your cart, then you need to fall in line. And then you need to get your tray. There. And then you need to get a cup or a mug. Yeah, if you want refillable coffee or tea. And then you can also get one for drinks. Ito yung binili natin sa Bacolod eh. Ay, sa Boracay. Or else. So, meron din silang mga chips here. Banana chips. Pero I like that. 1.9. And then, here, yung mga cake.
Mismo?
Yeah.
Apple?
Apple. So, we'll try it. And then, the carrot cake. There. And then we'll also try the cheesecake. Yeah, the cheesecake. And then there's salad. Chicken macaroni, green salad, and chicken salad.
Spaghetti.
Tsaka yung spaghetti with meatballs. Ayan. So, there. And then, potato fries. At saka potato fries. Tapos, saan bumibili ng frozen na, yung ready to cook na meatballs? Okay. So, kasi gusto namin uwian si Ashley. Third floor? Okay. So, sa third floor daw yung meatballs. Okay. So, we ordered surf and turf. And then, spaghetti with meatballs. And then, potato fry. Ayan. Tapos, mayroon din ditong bakery. Daddy, you want to get? Ikaw, croissant. Ayan, 65 lang. Can you take out croissant or... Ayan, so ito yung ano. Oh, pork sausage. Ayan. No. And then that's it. What's this? It's a mushroom soup. Ayan. Ayan. And then my fruits then here. If you want. Walang. There's mango sago. We'll try the mango sago. So, ang dami naming dessert. Ayan. So, dalawa naman yung, line niya, yung queue. So, here, sa side na to, and then sa other side. So, we're gonna line up na to pay. Ito yung order namin lahat. Super dami. So, dito pala play go. You need to clear your own table. So, ito lahat ng order namin.
Dalawang ganito.
Okay. Sige, leave mo na yun. Sige. So, hindi na magpa-coffee si Daddy. Magsa-soft drinks na lang siya. Ako na lang yung magpa-coffee. So, ayan. Mabilis lang naman yung, yung pagkain. I'm thinking sana siguro, pero titikman ko muna yung Swedish meatballs. If masarap to take out for later. Ayan, we're still just waiting in line. Siguro I think yung hype niya, parang hindi na siya ganun not like before. Nag-start to, talagang sobrang crowded. Tapos pipila ka sa labas, hindi ka makapasok agad. So, ang dami naming dessert. Pero ito try namin yan. So, balitaan namin kayo yung for the takeout or paano yung sistema nila. Ayan. Okay. So, yun, kakasabi ko lang paano yung takeout. Meron palang takeout box. Ayan, 15 pesos. Okay na yun, 2. Ayan, kumuha si Daddy there. So, it's 15 pesos. So, ayan yung total. Ayan. There.
So, 365 or 350, 65.
Thank you. Thank you. And so, that's it. Ganun lang. Tapos if you got your glass for the drinks, you'll just refill it here and then coffee. Yan, nandito lahat. So, ito yung mga drinks. I'll try the sugar-free cola with sparkling pear, sparkling lemon, raspberry water. Yan. And dito naman yung coffee. We'll find the seat. Later na ako magkukuha ng coffee. Okay na po. Thank you. And so maghanap na kami ni Daddy ng spot. Ayan. Ayun doon sa may bintana. Mayroon yatang spot. Ayun o. Sa likod nung dalawa. Yeah, it's different. It's different.
It's different. It's different.
Ayan, doon na tayo yan. Para magandang background natin. We'll take a picture later. And so, ito siya. Actually guys, hindi siya jam-packed as we expected. Ayan, so this is everything that we've ordered. This is the surf and turf. And then this is the potato fries. And then this is the spaghetti with meatballs. And then of course the drinks. Medyo marami kaming dessert. Ito yung apple. Apple what?
Apple pie.
Apple pie.
Apple pie crunch.
And then cheesecake. Yung cheesecake nila guys, 120 lang. And then meron kami mango sago. So,
Yung cook na 7-Eleven price lang.
yung coke nila is 50 pesos lang. 50 pesos lang. Tapos yung sa akin, Ayun, namili ako kanina, nakita nyo naman. So, ayan, we'll eat lang. Thank you, Lord, for the food. So, we're done eating. Ayan, nabot kami ng 6 o'clock. And we're gonna leave our tray here and there. So, yung drinks ko and coffee, parehong only. Pero naka 1 serving lang ako. Ayun. So, we'll try to go sa 3rd floor to buy the frozen meatballs. Kuya, ano pong floor to? 4th floor. Okay, thank you. So, we're on the 4th floor. And then, bababa kami for the meatballs. Let's go down for the meatballs sa 3rd floor. So, medyo parang madami ng tao ngayon. Hindi naman, meron parang sa bagay, meron pa ring seats. At saka maganda pala guys, meron dun sa gitna na hindi ko lang na video. Yung kung meron kayong children na, yung toddlers, meron parang play area. Actually, dito sa bungad, madaming tao, pero hindi nila alam pag pumasok sila sa loob, marami pang spots. So, pwede kayo mag-rest here, there. Ayan. So, that's it for our IKEA experience. So, ayan. We're here na sa 3rd floor and we'll look for the frozen na food, na meatballs. Ayan. So, there's a lot of stuff na you can buy here. Ayan. Pero, hindi yan ang gagawin namin ngayon. Kasi wala naman kaming need to buy anything from here. But if money is not an issue, charing. Gusto nyo lang mag-splurge na walang dahilan. Punta kayo dito. So maybe kailangan natin magtanong kung saan siya. Kasi parang mga textiles na to eh. So saan yung food? Parang meron pa pala siya doon sa loob. Akala ko may harang. Nakalula. Grabe. Sobrang laki niya. Where?
So checks out, exit this way.
Ilang kaya ang no? Hektarya. Grabe. Ang ganda ng mga plants. Ayan So just follow the arrow. Mga rugs naman dito. Ganda. Everything 300 or less. Oh, wow. Meron gantong area. Maybe we can ask the kuya. Ayun si kuya,
Paglabas sa sarap siya, separate po siya.
Okay. Thank you.
Hindi na kaya.
So yan, nagtanong na kami kay kuya. Kasi kala namin mali na yung dinadaanan namin. Ayun sa labas. So, bakit tayo umikot ng mabas? Saan ba tayo galing?
Isip ko lang, parang balik lang tayo.
So, we need to exit.
Hindi.
Yeah, we need to exit. So, nandun pala siya sa labas, guys. After ng counters. Ayan. Finally, nakalabas na kami. So, after sa paglabas niya siya ng counters, dito sa third floor. Ayan. This is the Swedish food market.
Over the course of 10 months,
We'll look for the meatballs na frozen. Is this the one? No.
he put his heart and soul into finding the right recipe.
Is that the one? No, I think that's the one. That's the potato wedges eh. Yeah. This one, I think that's the one first.
It took almost
This one.
a year of hard work until
Yeah.
the restaurants could start serving
this.
IKEA Philippines. Every time a new IKEA store opened, people lined up in thousands.
So we just got the meatballs. It's on sale from 750 to from 795 to 750. Yan, it's 1 kilo. 1 kilo yan, di ba? 1,000 grams. Okay. So we're just gonna
Oh,
pay
1,000.
and that's it for IKEA today. Oh, you have chocolates, Daddy. Oh. Here. Buy any 2 green truffles for 1,300. Wow. 135 pesos. Daddy, what's dark chocolate?
Ilang percent?
47%. Is that super or this milk chocolate?
Tama.
Yan. Parang natitempt ako bumili pero pay lang kami and then that's it. And so guys, magastos. Pag lumabas. Kasi first time naman namin sa MOA and sa IKEA. So, 1 kilo naman yung meatballs. And the chocolate we also wanna try. Okay, so mag-walk-walk lang kami dito. And then that's it for our IKEA experience. So, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share this video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog.